welcome back to my channel. In this process, I'll show how to uninstall and install back different parts of the system unit. As you can see, the first step, you have to remove the cases of the system unit. So, with the help of a screwdriver, you unscrew the side screws in order to be able to remove the cases. So after removing the screws, you slide the case sideways and remove it. Repeat the same procedure for the lower case and set it aside. So here we are going to remove the fan. So you press this upper part downwards, then you lift this clip and remove it. After removing it, you unplug this cable which is connecting the fan to the system unit, and then you are done. After installing it, I'll show you how to return it back. You place this lower part on this part, then you place the fan on top of this part, then you return back the cable connecting the fan to the motherboard. After returning back the cable, you take this clip, you place it here, you press it downwards to fit it back to its original position, and then you are done in removing the fan and installing it back.